Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're taking a deep dive into some serious, science-backed nutrition and transforming it into a highly actionable morning routine. We are talking all about weight loss breakfast recipes for women. We're going to take those optimal nutrient targets and turn them into actual delicious meals you can eat every single day.
All right, let's just get right to the magic number, 25 to 35 grams. That right there is your absolutely crucial daily protein target for breakfast. Hitting this number completely shifts your focus from just obsessively counting calories to actively feeding your hormones and really locking in that stable energy.
So here is our game plan for today. 1. Female fat loss strategy. 2. The target meal framework. 3. Savory breakfast recipes. 4. Sweet breakfast recipes. And finally, number 5, meal prep success rules.
Okay, jumping into section 1, female fat loss strategy. This is all about moving beyond simple calorie restriction.
To really kick things off, we've got to completely pivot our mindset away from that old idea of just eating as little as possible. Optimizing your morning meal, it's actually a masterclass in blood glucose stability and satiety. This explains exactly why we need high-quality protein paired with viscous dietary fiber and healthy fats. What happens is it physically delays gastric emptying. It literally puts the brakes on digestion. That suppresses your hunger hormone, ghrelin, and totally prevents that dreaded 11 a.m. crash and those awful cortisol spikes that can just completely halt fat loss in its tracks.
Moving right along to section 2, target meal framework. Let's look at the optimal nutrient targets and their physiological functions. When you break down what a truly balanced metabolic plate looks like by the numbers, you're looking at a caloric density of 320 to 420 calories, which gives you sustained energy without overwhelming your system. But the magic is really in the macros. You want 25 to 35 grams of protein to maximize the thermic effect of food, 8 to 12 grams of fiber, and 10 to 15 grams of healthy fats. So the big takeaway here is that hitting these specific targets guarantees your body is properly synthesizing hormones, like balancing your estrogen and progesterone, all while keeping you completely full and focused. Section 3. Savory breakfast recipes. Here are some metabolic boosting savory solutions. Let's look at our first savory option, which is a gorgeous savory spinach, feta, and egg white scramble served up with avocado toast. It clocks in at 360 calories with 28 grams of protein. That perfectly hits our framework targets, and it only takes 10 minutes of prep time. Because, let's be real, absolutely nobody has time for a 45-minute cooking session on a random Tuesday morning. Plus, by using one whole egg mixed with egg whites, you're getting all that incredible nutrient density from the yolk without blowing past your fat targets.
Now, if you've ever woken up just feeling completely depleted, you've got to try this. This specific micronutrient combo is designed to supercharge your cellular health right at the start of the day. The sprouted grain bread gives you those fantastic slow-release complex carbs, while the spinach is just packed with non-heme iron and folate. Both of those are absolutely essential for female hormonal health.
Next up on the savory list, we have an oven-baked, smoked salmon, asparagus, and dill breakfast frittata. Sitting at 340 calories, this thing is an absolute powerhouse for healthy fats and high-quality protein. You're getting 29 grams of protein, and the whole shebang only takes about 20 minutes to prep and bake.
I am absolutely obsessed with this specific benefit, reducing systemic inflammation while actively supporting your thyroid function. That is a massive, massive win for female metabolic health. The omega-3s from that wild salmon, they are doing some serious heavy lifting for your hormonal regulation behind the scenes.
If you're feeling a more Mediterranean vibe, a chickpea and egg breakfast skillet is surprisingly easy. 4 simple steps directly in one pan. Just saute your onions and peppers, simmer them with chickpeas and crushed tomatoes, poach your eggs right in the sauce, and garnish. Boom. The chickpeas offer this fantastic resistant starch that feeds your beneficial gut flora and keeps your feelings satiated all day long.
Rounding out our savory options is the Southwest black bean and egg white breakfast wrap. This one delivers 27 grams of protein and an exceptionally high dose of prebiotic fiber, 12 grams in total, thanks to the black beans and a high-fiber whole wheat wrap. It is literally the perfect combo to maintain flat stomach digestion and sustained energy.
All right, section 4, sweet breakfast recipes. Satisfying those cravings while stabilizing your glucose.
So what if you wake up with a major sweet tooth? Don't worry, you can absolutely still fit the target framework. A berry and Greek yogurt protein overnight oats recipe totally proves it.
By using a base of non-fat Greek yogurt, half a scoop of protein powder, and chia seeds, you hit a massive 30 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. It completely transforms what's usually a carb-heavy breakfast into a total metabolic engine.
And let's think about why this matters. By improving your insulin sensitivity first thing in the morning, these specific fibers, like the oat beta-glucan and the chia-soluble fiber, actually help your body manage carbohydrates so much more effectively throughout the rest of your day, all while supporting a really healthy metabolic rate.
Believe it or not, you can even have pancakes. By blending half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese directly into the batter of high-protein cottage cheese berry pancakes, you're getting slow-digesting casein protein and calcium. This yields 32 grams of protein per serving. It's designed to specifically support bone mineral density and keep you full for hours.
And for all you smoothie lovers out there, adding golden flax seeds and turmeric to a mango green smoothie bowl directly addresses bloating and estrogen metabolism. The flaxseed lignans are just incredible for hormone modulation, while the curcumin in the turmeric fights oxidative stress. It is a brilliant way to literally drink your anti-inflammatories.
Finally, Section 5. Meal Prep Success Rules. These are the actionable daily habits for consistency.
Now that we know what to make, these 3 guidelines are the secret sauce to actually doing it consistently. First, prep your protein base ahead of time so you're never scrambling, on a busy weekday morning. Next, prioritize hydration first. Waking up your digestive tract with 16 to 20 ounces of lemon water before you even take a single bite prevents you from confusing thirst with actual hunger. And finally, avoid naked carbs.
Okay, this definition right here, this is the golden rule of the entire explainer: never eat carbs naked. When you eat complex carbohydrates all on their own, it leads to a rapid glucose spike. You should always dress your carbs with protein and fat to blunt those spikes, keep your blood sugar stable, and completely shut down those midday cravings.
So, as we wrap things up, I want you to take a hard look at your current morning routine. Ask yourself, are your breakfasts feeding your hormones, or are they just fueling a mid-morning crash? You've got the framework now, you've got the science, but here is the really exciting question to leave you with. If changing just your breakfast can completely stabilize your metabolism and hormones, imagine what optimizing your lunch and dinner could do. So decide right now, which of these 7 recipes are you going to meal prep this Sunday?